Hello everyone, thank you so much for joining me today for yet another CAD tutorial. Today is going to be a really quick one because something came up, an urgency that needs to be taken care of. So I'm just going to share with you just something you can do if you do ever make this kind of mistake that I'm going to show you, that there's a way that you can actually utilize the card without disposing of it or tearing it down or whatever else you would think to do with it. So I was doing getting ready for the tutorial last week when I accidentally embossed the entire um you know card base. It wasn't done intentionally. It was actually you know quite by accident. I had cut off the piece that I was supposed to have used as my matted layer, and I was supposed to run it through the machine, but I ended up picking up my card base. So this is my nice card base that I have actually embossed the whole thing. And I was trying to figure out a way that I can utilize it. And I thought that, as a matter of fact, I'm seriously thinking about continuing on this trend to just going ahead and embossing the entire base, and then adding whatever I need to add to it. So what I did was I ended up putting a piece in here that you can stamp your sentiments on. Okay, that can definitely be an option. And I already had my information at the back, but what I did was I went ahead and added this really pretty gold shoe at the front. Now this would could be a birthday card, it could be a congratulations card, it could even be for wedding too. Congratulations on your wedding. It just depends on what you decide. But I just wanted to show you, we do make mistakes from time to time, and instead of just getting a fit and wondering what to do next, this is just an idea. So if you would like to try this out, it's true it's an accident, but I think it's really nice. Go ahead and emboss your entire card base, and then you will just you can even print out your sentiments first before you adhere it to the inside. It's up to you. And of course add your you know sentiments, whatever you need, your embellishments on the front, and then you have a really nice card that was created totally by accident. So I hope this gives you a little idea of what you can do, what you can try, and I wish you guys a wonderful week. I shall see you guys next week when I am not rushing. So thank you so much. Toodaloo.